Hello and welcome to the Recolor YouTube channel. My name is Monika, and in this video I'm going to show you a fast method of recoloring artwork. And we won't even use the recolor artwork feature. We have this artwork that has a certain color applied in a symbol, in a pattern, on a text, and on a stroke. And this should be recolored and set to some Pantone color. So let's first load a Pantone color. I'm going to solid coat it, and let's take this reflex blue. There we have it. And now what we need is this orange defined as a global color swatch. So I'm going to select all of them and go to the swatches panel menu, and let's add selected colors. There it is, and it also creates a new pattern swatch of this dotted pattern. But what we need is this one. This is now global, and then let's get to the fastest method, and this is to select the swatches. Let's select first the Pantone swatch. It's very, very, very important that you don't have any objects selected. So the Pantone swatch is selected, and then you select the other swatch that you want to replace, or it can also be multiple swatches. And for this, you need to either press the Shift key if they are neighbored, or the Command, respectively Control key on Windows if they are not neighbored. So, like so. And then you go to Merge Swatches in the panel menu. And there we have it, replaced. It's not getting any faster than this. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.